Hi, this contraption is used to hold your sheets on the corners of your bed, and I received a set as a gift so that I could try these out and show you how they work. So let's do it. So these are all of the pieces that it comes with for 4 corners, and it looks kind of confusing, but the directions on the box are super easy, and it is actually super easy to do. You're going to start out with these 3 pieces, and I want to show you that each of these has a left and a right, and as you're holding it, it's the left and the right. So I'm going to take the left piece and let me set the right one down, and you just slide it on like that. And then you take the right piece and you slide it on like that. Easy to slide. Okay, now we're gonna use it on the bed. Okay, so I've got my piece, it's all put together, and then I've got my mattress here, and I'm just going to slide it like that. It just fits right there on the corner. Okay, and now I've got my fitted sheet and my flat sheet tucked into the corner over the top of the device. Okay, now I've got this long, very flexible piece of plastic, and I'm going to thread it through those grooves. Here's one I don't have installed yet, but I have it put together. These are the grooves that I'm talking about right there. Okay, so you're going to take that long piece, thread it through on the left and then the right, and then when you try to pull on the sheet, it's very difficult to pull that up. So it was easy to install.